before you try to change the world, have you learned to love yourself? Self-love isn't selfish, it's the most important relationship you'll ever have. Today, we'll talk about 5 golden rules of self-love that can truly transform your life. We give time to everyone, family, friends, responsibilities, but forget ourselves. Take a few minutes each day just for you. Whether it's sipping tea in silence, reading a book, or simply breathing in peace. These moments bring you back to yourself. Past mistakes can weigh heavy on the heart. But remember, making mistakes is part of being human. Don't hold guilt forever. Learn, let go, and forgive yourself. Forgiveness is not weakness, it's freedom. Negative thoughts can dim even the brightest soul. Start your day with a positive affirmation. I am worthy. I am enough. These aren't just words, they are power. Rule 4. Set boundaries with others' opinions. People will always have something to say. But you don't have to carry every word they speak. Listen to your heart, it knows your truth better than anyone else ever will. You are beautiful just the way you are. Your imperfections are not flaws, they are your fingerprints. Love yourself as you are and the world will follow. Self-love is a journey, the most beautiful one you'll ever take. Make a promise today, to never abandon yourself again. If these words touched your heart, like this video and subscribe to Soulful Age for more gentle wisdom and healing.